Guangxi Nanning Sweet Import and Export Company Limited was established in 2012 and located in Nanning City, Guangxi Province. It's a professional manufacturer engaged in the production and sale of all kinds of wooden handles, which is used for cleaning tools and farming tools. Our major products are wooden broom handle, wooden mop handle, wooden brush handle, wooden shovel handle, wooden fork handle, wooden rake handle, wooden fence, etc. To making high-quality products are always our aim. All of our raw materials were put into steam boiler to make it soft. Then, we hot press it to be straight. Only in this way, the handles will be more straight and not bend again. This is our special process, and there are very less factories to use it. Currently, our products have already exported to over 70 countries and regions, such as Mexico, Brazil, El Salvador, Colombia, United Kingdom, Germany, Holland, Portugal, Egypt, Libya, Algeria, Iraq, Iran, Dubai, Israel, Jordan, Sri Lanka, etc. We focus on quality and service, which is all in the business. Innovation and researching our service to quality. A large number of customers approve we are right. We consider customers' needs as our duty, with the work style of good faith and pragmatic. What customer want is what we pursue, and we strive to achieve quality, price, and service into a perfect unit. Our goal is the same quality with the lowest price, the same price with better quality.
Today's quality, tomorrow's market. We are Sweet Factory.